Hello, and welcome to Insightly. With applications to support sales, marketing, customer service, and integrations, Insightly's platform is a modern, scalable solution that aligns go-to-market teams around a single view of their customer and helps businesses sell smarter, grow faster, and build long-lasting relationships. My name is Sarah, and today I'm going to bring you through an introductory product demo of Insightly Marketing, a marketing automation solution built in complete alignment with Insightly CRM, designed to enable B2B and B2C marketers engage in simple, smarter online marketing. In this demo, we'll specifically review our intuitive journey builder used to visually map out your campaigns for prospect and existing customer outreach, how to customize templates for emails you're sending and landing pages you're using to collect new prospect information. We'll review finish action automations available to streamline key activities that may otherwise be repetitive, and ultimately how Insightly's CRM and marketing applications align to ensure departments are working together and towards your revenue goals. Let's get started. Insightly Marketing is natively accessible from within Insightly CRM. When you navigate into Insightly Marketing, you'll notice the user face similarities designed with simplicity and consistency in mind to drive user adoption. The prospect object will house your marketable audience, whether that be prospects being nurtured by your marketing team that are not ready for sales engagement, prospects that are sales qualified and currently moving through your sales pipeline, or even current customers that you're driving continued engagement with to create cross-selling or upselling opportunities. Whatever may be the appropriate case for your business, Insightly's customization options ensure that the information you need to create relevant experiences for your customers is supported. Leverage the prospect grading functionality to capture how well prospects in your funnel map to your uniquely defined ideal customer profile, and set up scoring models to measure prospect intent based on how they are interacting with the content you've curated. You have full control over how specific actions taken by your prospects are weighted to ensure the appropriate behavioral signs that indicate intent to buy in your business model can be acted upon appropriately. So customers can come in and add new rules to their scoring model, at which point we can define which activity we are referencing, identify the specific website if appropriate, and then increase or decrease scores accordingly. With the ability to action workflows off of this data and even make it available to sellers within the CRM, grading and scoring models allow your team to prioritize the prospects with the highest propensity to buy in real time. Every interaction you have with your prospects should bring them one step closer to you. Insightly's Journey Builder tool allows you to map out customer buying processes and campaigns so you can chart the course from prospect to customer to advocate in any given scenario. Journeys allow for the configuration of actions, triggers, and checks to ensure the path a prospect takes is personalized based on their engagement with your content and what you have come to know about them. Actions allow you to do something, like send an email, add or remove tags, adjust scores, and even trigger workflows or activities to occur within the CRM, such as converting to a lead or contact, or even delegating tasks accordingly. Triggers and checks allow you to create unique paths based on if conditions or criteria are met or not. For example, you can create a trigger if an email is opened or if a link is clicked. Or you can set up a check to validate to see if something has or has not occurred before proceeding into the next step. Leverage Insightly's intuitive template builder to customize the emails you're sending to your audience and the landing page experiences you're creating to collect new prospect information to ensure complete brand alignment. You can choose to create your own templates from the ground up, or you can choose pre-built templates that have been customized using the drag and drop editor functionality to make it your own. Add images and photos to personalize messages, increase open rates, and drive more conversions. Before sending, leverage the preview tools to ensure your content is rendering appropriately no matter if it is consumed via the web or on the mobile device. Insightly's landing page functionality is similarly structured as the editor is in the email template builder. Using drag and drop functionality, you can ensure that the images and the structure is in alignment with your brand and embed forms as needed to collect prospect information. Customize prospect web forms that can be easily embedded onto your landing page to ensure you are capturing the data you need to segment and qualify your leads for your sales team. With duplicate management capabilities included in your form handlers, you can build out your knowledge of a prospect over time. So, if on the first form submission a prospect provides you their name and email address and company name, on the next form submission you may collect more information related to their business needs or how to get in contact with them. As you populate your prospect profiles over time, you can become more targeted in your messaging to drive towards a higher likelihood of engagement. Insightly's finish actions offer complete automation based on the prospect's engagement with your forms, redirect links, or even hosted files. With finish actions, you can conditionally define which activities should occur to allow you to not only further control the customer's journey, but also ensure that key administrative updates happen automatically without the intervention of your team. Actions are available such as adding tags, adding prospects to specific lists, adjusting scores, again, interacting directly with the CRM, or for our customers who are leveraging Insightly App Connect, triggering recipes to drive integrations or advanced workflows. A prospect's complete history of engagement with your content is captured on their record within the Timeline tab, which will show you the progression of interactions over time. This information also lives within the CRM on the corresponding lead record to ensure sales teams have a complete view into the history of a prospect so they are in position to engage with context that will drive more effective and efficient sales conversations that lead to conversions. Marketing success is heavily reliant on access to up-to-date customer data. The more data marketers have access to in real time, the more relevant their messaging can be to customers to drive engagement, something that aligning Insightly CRM with Insightly Marketing directly impacts. On your dashboards, you'll have insight into pipeline revenue and campaign performance to determine which marketing channels you should continue investing in and where there are opportunities to optimize your processes. So in summary, by building CRM and marketing applications atop the same platform, the Insightly suite is designed to enable businesses to truly align marketing and sales departments, facilitate the delivery of high-quality leads ready for sales engagement, increase conversion rates, and drive revenue. If you're ready to dive into an evaluation of Insightly Marketing, please complete the form below to connect with a product consultant to discuss your business's unique needs. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Insightly. Have a wonderful day.